Hi, I'm from Techie Dialogue, and in today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to move buttons around in HTML step by step. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more web design tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. Let's begin by adding a simple button to our HTML page. Here's a basic example of the button element. HTML, H1, the button element, button type button, on-click alert, hello world. Click me. This code creates a button that when clicked will display an alert with the message, hello world on your page. Now that we have our button, let's move on to styling and positioning it. Step 2. To move the button around on the page, we'll use some CSS. A common way to do this is by using the position property. For example, you can use position absolute to position the button relative to the nearest position ancestor or to the page itself. HTML style button, position absolute, top 100px, left 150px. In this example, the button will be placed 100 pixels from the top of the page and 150 pixels from the left. You can adjust these values to change the button's position. That's it! You've now learned how to move buttons around in HTML using different CSS techniques. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.